During the 17th and 18th centuries, there were many major historical events that occurred. On May 21, 1620, the Mayflower Compact, signed by 41 adult males in Provincetown Harbor, Massachusetts, represented the first agreement on self-government in English North America. In June of 1636, Roger Williams founded Rhode Island, which became the first English colony to grant complete religious tolerance. On November 7, 1637, Anne Hutchinson was banished for preaching that faith alone was sufficient for salvation. On December 1st of the same year, Parliament adopted the first Navigation Act, which required all goods carried to and from England be transported on English ships. It also stated that the colonies could export cotton, ginger, sugar, tobacco, and wool exclusively to England. In 1664, Maryland adopted a statute denying freedom to slaves who converted to Christianity. In March of 1692, the Salem witch scare had begun when a group of young girls claimed that they had been bewitched. When Massachusetts Governor William Phips halted the trials that October, 19 people had been hanged, 1 man had been crushed to death, and 2 people had died in prison. On May 4, 1702, Queen Anne's War, otherwise known as the Second French and Indian War, began. It lasted until 1713. In 1705, Massachusetts prohibited marriages between whites and blacks. In 1734, the Great Awakening began in New England. It emphasized human depravity and divine omnipotence. On June 9, 1739, George II granted James Oglethorpe a charter for Georgia to serve as a buffer against Spain and as a haven for debtors. And in 1740, the population of the British colonies had reached approximately 889,000 people.